Hi, I'm Lauren Mahoney, a board member with the Hingham Historical Society and member of the House Tour Committee. Hingham's Historic House Tour is a favorite community event and long-standing tradition. We encourage you to grab a friend or two or make plans with your family and join us in historic Hingham on Sunday, September 29th.
Hi, I'm Lara Thompson, board member and chair of the Hingham Historical Society's Historic House Tour. Please join me on Sunday, September 29th, 2024 from 11 to 4 p.m. in Hingham for our 98th tour. As one of the oldest house tours in the country, we are excited to be a part of this important commemorative time as we mark 250 years since the American Revolution. This year's tour will feature beautiful private homes once occupied by American Revolutionary War patriots, dating back to the late 17th and early 18th century, as well as our 3 historic properties, the National Historic Landmark Benjamin Lincoln House, the 1686 Old Ordinary, and the Hingham Heritage Museum. Tickets go on sale in late August, and a portion of your ticket price supports the work of the nonprofit member and donor-supported Hingham Historical Society. For more information about the 98th Historic House Tour, please visit our website, hinghamhistorical.org, or follow us on Instagram @HinghamHistorical. Commemorate Rev 250 by joining us for the 98th Historic House Tour. We look forward to welcoming you to Historic Hingham.